Christian Spiritualist Temple on East State Street in downtown Columbus began life as the Westminster Presbyterian Church in 1857. According to the book Columbus, Ohio from 1873 by author Jacob Studer, the church was originally organized June 1st, 1854 by a colony from the First Presbyterian Church. Before the Westminster Church was erected, they held services in the lecture room of Starling Medical College, located at the time across the street on the southeast corner of South 6th Street and East State Street, where the current Grant Medical Center and Xander is located. The church edifice was dedicated August 23, 1857. Except for the tower, the building cost $16,000. That's $1857, which is $580,480 today. Apparently, the original Westminster Church fell on hard times and eventually dissolved, its congregation joining another church. An article in the Columbus Vignette from January 25, 1970, mentioned that Eva Fay, a spiritualist minister and medium, had been consulted by one Ebeneezer Barcus, who had been offered a large sum for a big block of railroad stock he owned. He apparently promised to buy the Spiritualist church if Fay's advice to hold for a better offer panned out. It did, and Barcus sold for a huge profit. Barcus indeed bought them the old Westminster Presbyterian Church, which became the Christian Spiritualist Temple in 1902. The church is still open today.